welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I am all about packing. We are getting ready to go on our family trip of the summer. Last year we weren't able to do it. I know all of us weren't able to do a lot. But this year we are heading back up to Oregon. I'm so excited. Just for the experience for myself, but for all of my kids and grandkids. So I'm really excited. And we have an addition this year that has never been up to Oregon before. So I'm really excited to show my son-in-law where I'm from and just the whole experience. We're going to be driving. So we have rented a van, and it's like a 12-passenger van. So we are driving. My mom is going to fly up. She said, no thanks on the drive. But so she's going to drive up, and we will pick her up at the airport up there. But we are driving. So I'm just going to be showing you how I prepared to get ready for the van as far as snacks and activities for the grandbabies and just, all the fun stuff that goes along with that. And I thought while I'm packing, I could give you some of my tips and tricks for just an easy way to get ready for a trip, and just kind of some of the things I do, and maybe it helps you. So let's just get into it. Okay, so this is what we've got going on for snacks. Like I mentioned before, we are going to be going, we're driving. We rented a big van. So, I wanted to have things easy and accessible to get to. So in this bin, this is kind of our refill bin. We'll have this more in the back, you know what I mean? But it's got all our excess snacks in here. I went ahead and got some coffee just to have in case we didn't have, I don't know. I just wanted to make sure. Of course, the kids' favorite sauce. And then this is what we've got for the actual, that will be up closer to us. So this one is just like regular snack, regular chips, not the hot. And then all of my kids and my, kids-in-law, they all love this, and the grandkids. I hate it, but they love it. So I've got a big container of this for them. And it's all labeled, of course. So we've got those that will be up closer to us. Then this is more like, if I can get it open here, cookies, some pretzels, some of my keto stuff, granola bars, that kind of stuff. So this again is labeled, so if somebody's looking for something, they can find it easily. Then I found these in the Target dollar spot, and I thought they would be perfect for the little ones, just to have like their snacks, activities. I know their mom has got them some activity stuff for the road trip. So here's Miranda's, here's Tadeo's. So I just thought that would be easy. They both have one. They could keep, we keep their stuff in there. This is all medical and first aid. I want to make sure, as being the head mama here, I just want to make sure we have everything, to have a great time. So we've got, some extra wipes, some nose wipes, sunscreen, kids medicine, allergy medicine, because I'm thinking the kids are starting to get some allergy, or my grandson is having some allergies. But we've got kids medicine, adult medicine, and then I just put together a travel first aid kit. So this will be up, somewhat close in case, we need it. We've got that, and it's all contained. It's not in a big bag. It has a lid, so if I'm thinking like this kind of stuff would be good to put on the floor in front of the kids. You know what I mean? Because if they step on it a little bit, it's not gonna hurt. I just thought this was a great idea. We're going to be going up to staying right off of a river, so maybe doing some s'mores would be fun. These are my daughter and I's, and I think my daughter-in-law is going to love these. These are energy drinks, but they're I I mean, I'm sure they're not great for us, but they're not as bad as some of the other ones. So we're gonna have a big cooler that will be up in the front seat. So I wanted to be able to put some of these in because it's gonna be myself, my daughter, and my son driving. So I wanted to make sure we have some stuff up front for us. And then I went ahead and put together a sleep little box here. I've got my 2 grandkids' favorite little blankets, one of our favorite blankets. So like whenever the driver, you know, is taken, or, you know, we're switching off, you know, one of the drivers can have a blanket if they want, a couple of pillows. I'm gonna grab a couple more travel pillows. And then the most important is this shusher for little Miss Miranda. You know, it really helps her go to sleep. So I just thought it would be nice to keep it organized, clean, mostly clean. And we'll probably end up putting one more blanket in here. And then the travel pillows. But that's just kind of how I'm trying to organize, you know, the van for being in the car for a long period of time, and just trying to keep things organized so everybody easily can find what we're looking for. I've got another order from Costco coming. All of these snacks I went ahead and got at Target. I had these bins, and but I do have a couple more things coming, some protein drinks for my mom, and a couple other snack items that I wanted to put in that we'll probably just add into this or this container. But this is how we're looking, and then we'll just grab drinks from our drink fridge to fill up the cooler. But this is kind of what we've got going on for the van. Okay, so getting to packing for myself. So the first thing I do is I make a list. Now, I've done this where I just on a piece of paper and wrote down a list. This year I went a little extra and created a little checklist. I keep a folder that has like all the hotel or car rental or anything, and I take that with me. So I, you know, make a list of everything that was needed. This time I did like everything for the van, everything for me, medications, all that kind of stuff. So that's my first tip. Then I just kind of lay everything out. And what I try to focus on, I mean, like, I'm not worried about, you know, pajamas and all that kind of stuff, but I put together, you know, like these are kind of nicer tops that, like, if we go out to dinner type of thing, or I just want to be a little, not just a t-shirt, you know what I mean? And I just look, okay, I've got shorts that would go with this. I've got shorts that go with this. I've got pants that go with all this. I just try to make sure whatever I'm packing is going to go together. I've got one long sleeve kind of like sweater shirt that I doubt I'm going to need, but I just wanted to put it in there just in case, like if it does get chilly at night. I've got one summer dress. I will actually have a second one, and we can wash on this trip as well. So I'm not overpacking. I've got one just little lounge outfit, and these are just kind of some lounge pants that are good because we are staying, one place we are staying is at a bed and breakfast, but a couple other places, you know, you can have breakfast at the location. So it's kind of nice to be able to just, you know, put on a lounge pant and a t-shirt and you're okay to go to breakfast. You know, you don't have to get completely dressed for the day. And then I just brought one sweatshirt, a hat, you know, pajamas, and swimsuit, a pair of tennis shoes that can be, you know, for hiking, my journal, a book. This is all my laundry pods and laundry stuff because, like I said, we can do laundry. I got these cute little, let's see here. I got these cute little they're little masks, and I got 4 of them so that all the mamas can have a little, I don't know, little spa day together. And then this is all of my hair care and toothpaste, toothbrush, body wash, all of my oh my gosh, what's in here? Just everything, like all the toiletries except my facial stuff and makeup. This bag is so amazing. It has these, I don't know, whoops, I don't know if you can see here, but they have like little pockets. So you know, everything's secure. You can put it in the pockets and then down in the middle. This is just kind of like a perfume spray. It's really kind of fun. But then this cinches up. And it's perfect. It doesn't spill. If it spills, it's in kind of like a, you know, washable fabric. Really great. It was a Christmas present from my dear friend, and I just love these. I'm going to try to link it. I believe she got it at, or on Amazon. And then it comes with this little pouch, and I usually put like my chapstick that I like to use at night. I usually put that in here. But this is just great for like things that could spill while you travel. So I just lay everything out, and I'm just gonna try to put it into the suitcase, see how it goes. I have packing cubes, which I might use for a couple of these things, but I'm not positive that I'm gonna need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up this suitcase, and then I will show you where we're at. So here we go. This is how everything turned out. And I think it's actually just perfect. You know, I could size up on my suitcase, but there really is not a need for it, especially since we're driving. You know, if I pick something up on this trip, I can certainly, you know, bring it home, you know, differently. But I went ahead and folded kind of KonMari the way I would do at home. It fits so much more in. You see exactly, you know, so you can check off your list and make sure you have everything. You know, I can't zip this part, but that's okay. But I wanted to show you this suitcase has this under, let's see, like, let me go this way, where you can lift up. So I just put, you know, some of the extra shoes. I'm going to be having a pair of flip-flops, and that's all I need. You know, something to go out, you know, if we're walking longer distance, I've got those, you know, and then the flip-flops. That's all I need. I don't need to overpack and go crazy. So I've got everything. This is actually a size of a carry-on, so I think that's pretty good. And this is a week-long trip. Like I said, we're going to be able to wash. I'm going to go ahead and switch over into this so that it's just more compact. And then I've got this bag that can be easily wiped if anything spills, for all of the extras. So this is all my shampoo and stuff, my journals and my book. And then those, you know, facial things I got. And then these is all our laundry. And then I will show you my toiletry bags. So I've got all my medicine that I can put in the day of, all of my makeup that I've already got packed, but I'll just put in the day of. And then this is one of those inserts that I use. It's got all my facial stuff, all my full-size stuff, some lotion, deodorant, but all of my medication and stuff will go in here, and then that will go in that black bag. And so everything is, you know, makeup and brushes are in here, all of my facial, lotion, deodorant in here, and medication. So it will all fit into that black little bag. So again, everything, all that stuff will go in here. And then these are just my 2 bags that I've got. And then some flip-flops. And I will just wear a comfy outfit to be able to go, and then we'll be able to wash. So, you know, it's set. And then all our snacks are done. All of our, you know, we don't have to worry about drinks and stopping and getting snacks and all that kind of stuff, because we are going away. It's going to be 17 hours and we're doing it straight. So obviously with some gas, you know, that kind of thing, and potty breaks, but we've got everything situated, and I hope I've thought of everything. But again, it's just everything is ready to go. It's convenient. I think it's going to make the trip a lot easier and a lot better, and just, you know, smooth and fun, because that's what we want to do, is have a smooth and fun trip. Well, that's going to do it. One more thing I wanted to mention to you guys is, it may seem like, why am I cleaning the house, you know what I mean, before I go, but when I'm going to be gone. But please know, coming home, especially on a road trip, it's hard enough when you're flying or something, you know what I mean, and you're coming back and you're tired. You don't want to sit there and come into a dirty house, or, you know, obviously do your dishes, get your garbage out, that kind of stuff for sure. I mean, but, you know, just vacuum, clean, you know, have your home be fresh for when you come home. We have somebody staying here, but, you know, when I haven't had somebody staying, I've always tried to make sure that our home was clean when we came home, because that is one of my, it's just yucky. I do not like coming home to, you know what I mean, dirty sheets, or just, there's nothing like getting into a fresh bed. So do your sheets. Make sure your kids' beds or your beds, you know what I mean, are clean. Your family area, your kitchen, everything's clean before you go, because trust me when I say, it is so much nicer to come home to a nice, clean home. So I hope I gave you some tips. I hope it was stuff that you would help with your vacation plans, and that's something that can help you as you know, do your vacations and your plans. You know, the best thing is if you can be organized with every aspect of your life. If you can just have some order, you know, and a list, and just, you know, it's gonna save money, because I did most of my shopping at Target and Costco. As far as the snacks, we're not having to stop at gas stations and pay extra money. So, you know what I'm saying? And it's just, it's easy. We're on, you know, we're ready, we're on our way. And I just think being a little bit organized on the front end is gonna help everything in the end. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that I gave you some good inspiration and some motivation and some good ideas for trips and for packing and just having yourself be organized. I just appreciate all of you for watching, and I just really love the community that we're building, and being able to bounce ideas off each other, I think, is amazing. Please make sure you subscribe and you hit that like button, and that you hit your notification bell and you hit all, because that way YouTube lets you know that whenever I upload a video, and you don't have to wonder what times or anything like that. It just gives you a notification. So thanks so much, and I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.